Am I the only one that didn't know Camu Camu contains more vitamin C than any other food on the planet? Discover the berry that's revolutionizing health around the world. Today, we're diving into the wonders of Camu Camu, a tiny berry with giant health benefits. Grown in the Amazon rainforest, this little fruit is a powerhouse of nutrients, and it's quickly gaining popularity worldwide. Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know about Camu Camu, the science behind its incredible benefits, and how it can change your health for the better. Don't forget to try Camu Camu and share your experiences in the comments section. Subscribe for more health tips and updates, and be sure to watch more of our videos on superfoods for a healthier lifestyle. Subscribe now and join our community for the latest health tips and updates. Let's talk about your immune system, that complex network in your body that fights off infections and keeps you healthy. This berry is like a supercharger for your immunity because it's bursting with vitamin C. We're talking about 60 times more vitamin C than an orange. Vitamin C is crucial for the function of your white blood cells, the warriors of your immune system. By giving your body a mega dose of vitamin C, Camu Camu helps those white blood cells work even more efficiently. So, whether you're fighting off a cold or just want to strengthen your body's defenses, Camu Camu is a natural way to give your immune system a powerful boost. Adding Camu Camu to your diet is like investing in your long-term health and vitality. Now, let's talk about inflammation. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection. When inflammation becomes chronic, it can lead to health problems like heart disease, arthritis, and even some types of cancer. The good news is that Camu Camu can help. This powerful berry contains potent antioxidants that actively work to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. By fighting off these troublemakers, Camu Camu helps to calm down that inflammatory response and protect your body from long-term damage. It's about taking proactive steps to prevent chronic diseases and live a longer, healthier life. Imagine your cells constantly under attack by free radicals. Think of them like little wrecking balls bouncing around in your body. These free radicals are generated by everyday processes like breathing, but they're also increased by things like pollution, stress, and an unhealthy diet. Over time, they can damage your cells and contribute to aging and disease. Camu Camu is absolutely loaded with antioxidants, even more than other superfoods like blueberries and acai berries. This means Camu Camu is like a shield for your cells, protecting them from the inside out. This amazing berry can actually help boost your mood and promote a sense of calm and well-being. Studies have shown that Camu Camu can positively influence neurotransmitters in the brain, like serotonin and dopamine, which are essential for regulating mood, sleep, and even appetite. By supporting healthy levels of these neurotransmitters, Camu Camu can help reduce stress, improve sleep quality, and even alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. So if you're feeling overwhelmed or just need a little mood lift, Camu Camu could be your new secret weapon. Incorporating it into a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle can definitely contribute to a more positive outlook and improved mental well-being. Who doesn't want healthy, radiant skin? Well, Camu Camu can help with that too. This incredible berry is packed with nutrients that support collagen production, protect against sun damage, and even out skin tone. Collagen is a protein that gives your skin its structure, elasticity, and that youthful plumpness. Unfortunately, collagen production naturally declines as we age, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. But the good news is that vitamin C, which, as you know, Camu Camu is overflowing with, is crucial for collagen synthesis. By providing your body with an abundance of vitamin C, Camu Camu helps boost collagen production, keeping your skin firm, supple, and wrinkle-free. Camu Camu also protects your skin from the damaging effects of the sun. Let's talk about blood sugar balance, a crucial aspect of overall health, especially if you're managing diabetes or pre-diabetes. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is essential for energy production, hormone regulation, and preventing long-term complications. Studies have shown that Camu Camu can improve insulin sensitivity, meaning your body can utilize insulin more effectively to regulate blood sugar levels. Camu Camu helps to enhance insulin sensitivity, making sure that glucose can enter your cells efficiently and blood sugar levels remain stable. This is great news for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Camu Camu is more than just a berry. It's a health revolution in your pocket. From boosting your immunity to fighting inflammation, protecting your cells, enhancing your mood, and even promoting radiant skin and balanced blood sugar, the benefits of this Amazonian superfruit are truly remarkable. And the best part? Incorporating Camu Camu into your diet is easy and delicious. You can find it in powder form, capsules, or even enjoy it fresh if you're lucky enough to get your hands on it. Add it to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or even sprinkle it on salads for a tangy, nutritious boost. Start adding Camu Camu to your diet today and experience its incredible benefits firsthand. Your body will thank you for it. Now that you're excited about the incredible benefits of Camu Camu, let's talk about how you can easily incorporate this superfruit into your daily routine. Camu Camu is available in various forms, making it super versatile for any lifestyle. You can find it in convenient capsules, perfect for those on the go. Just take them with your morning vitamins and you're set. If you prefer a more natural approach, Camu Camu powder is your best friend. Add a spoonful to your morning smoothie for a tangy twist, mix it into your yogurt for a nutrient-packed breakfast, or even stir it into your oatmeal for an extra boost of flavor and health benefits. And for those who love experimenting in the kitchen, sprinkle Camu Camu powder on your salads or incorporate it into your favorite recipes. The possibilities are endless, and the health benefits are too good to pass up. So why wait? Start exploring the delicious and easy ways to add Camu Camu to your diet today. Your body and your taste buds will thank you.